Have you ever felt stuck in life? Like no matter what you do, you keep running into the same problems, whether it's with money, relationships, or your sense of purpose? I've been there. I remember a time when I felt like life was just happening to me. I blamed my circumstances, felt frustrated by my limits, and believed that things would never really change. But one day, I had a realization. It wasn't the world around me that needed change. It was the way I was looking at it. Does this resonate with you? Have you ever wondered if the way you're thinking might be holding you back? What if I told you that the life you've always dreamed of is just 3 mindset shifts away? Just 3. Not more hours in the day, not more money in the bank, just 3 changes in the way you think. Most of us live our lives reacting to circumstances, shaped by the beliefs we have inherited, never questioning if those beliefs are serving us. But here's the truth: the way you think defines the way you live. And when you change your mindset, you change your entire world. Today, I'm going to share 3 mindset shifts that, when embraced, will not just improve your life, they transform it forever. Let's dive in. Let's start with the first shift. Moving from a scarcity mindset to an abundance mindset. A scarcity mindset says there's never enough. Not enough time, not enough money, not enough opportunities. It keeps you stuck in fear, competition, and comparison. But abundance is knowing there's always enough. Enough to give, enough to receive, and enough to create. Here's the key. Abundance starts with gratitude. When you focus on what you already have, you realize how much you've been overlooking. Take a moment every day to reflect on what you're grateful for. Write it down, speak it out loud. Gratitude shifts your energy and opens you up to possibilities you couldn't see before. And remember, abundance isn't just about material things. It's about the richness of your relationships, your experiences, and your ability to contribute to the world. The more you believe there's enough for everyone, the more you'll create and attract opportunities that prove it. The second shift is moving from a fixed mindset to a growth mindset. A fixed mindset tells you, this is who I am. My abilities are set. My potential is limited. It's the voice that says, I'm not good at this, or I'll never be able to do that. But a growth mindset, it tells you, I can learn, I can improve, I can grow. It embraces challenges as opportunities to evolve. Instead of avoiding failure, it's welcome it as a teacher. Here's how you cultivate a growth mindset. Start by reframing failure. Instead of asking, why did this happen to me? Ask, what can I learn from this? Every setback is a stepping stone if you choose to see it in that way. And surround yourself with people who challenge you to grow. Seek out mentors, friends, and communities that inspire you to become more. Growth isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Every challenge you embrace, you're expanding your potential. Finally, the third shift, moving from a victim mindset to a greater mindset. A victim mindset says, life is happening to me. It's the belief that circumstances, other people, or luck control your destiny. But a creator mindset says, life is happening for me. I have the power to shape my reality. This doesn't mean ignoring challenges or pretending pain doesn't exist. It means taking ownership of how you respond. It means asking, what can I do with what I've been given? Here's a practice to shift from victim to creator. Start by identifying one area in your life where you feel stuck. Then ask yourself, what's one small action I can take today to change this? It could be a conversation, a decision, or simply a change in perspective. Every time you take ownership, you reclaim your power. Remember, you're not the sum of what happens to you. You're the sum of how you choose to rise. These 3 mindset shifts, from scarcity to abundance, from fixed to growth, and from victim to creator, are the keys to unlocking a life of purpose, joy, and limitless potential. They aren't just ideas, they are choices. Choices you can make every single day. And with each choice, you're not just changing your thoughts, you're changing your life. So here's my challenge to you. Which mindset shift will you start with today? Share in the comments. Let's commit to this journey together. And remember, your life changes when you do. And I promise, the best version of you is waiting on the other side. Thank you for being here. Until next time, stay legendary.